Hello everyone. Yeah, I'm home from had a dog show this weekend. Today's day 2. And yeah, it's long days. I gotta get up early to drive because my RV is still in the shop, so I had to drive back and forth. So like an hour and a half drive both each way. And I don't know, just a lot of driving. It's tiring. Get up early, hang out at the dog show all day. Long day. So we're here at Monkey Run, and everything's starting to grow. You got the skunk cabbage that's all that green over there along the creek, and there's trout lilies coming up, and some of the bushes are starting to get green. So yeah, after being at the dog show all day, and dogs are in crates waiting for their run, I figured it would be nice to get them out for a walk on the way home. So we stopped here and decided to come here. I haven't been here in a while. Look at all the trees that are down, and this one was arching over top, and it looks like that one finally broke, so they had to cut this all up. Weird mushrooms. Okay. Max is way up there. That must mean he's got to poop, because that's what he does when he has to poop. It's warm today. Halloween. Yeah, there were some people, like a group of people, like a couple of dudes and a couple of ladies, and they were walking around. They went the red trail, so I avoided the red trail. Not to mention, I don't know, Lainey's getting a little more sore, or like hard to walk and slower, so I don't know that she can necessarily do this whole trail. But I like to get her out, because you know what they say, if you don't and you let them sit at home and be a couch potato, then what happens is then they can't walk at all anymore, you know? Okay, so this trail, it just went in a big loop. That's all right. Not to mention I'm going to keep it an easy looped anyway because I needed to go to the restroom. Oh, I know where I am. This is the Red Trail, that's where those people went. And we decided not to do that one. So. Hopefully Max doesn't get sick drinking that creek water. Look at these trees. That, I don't know what all those, like, I guess they're diseased if they've got all those bumps on them, huh? I don't know. Or maybe that's just where branches come out of. Interesting. Huh. So yeah, it's Easter weekend. And I originally signed up for all 4 days of our dog show, but I don't think I'm going to go on Sunday. I'm kind of just tired of driving back and forth to Buffalo, so I think I'll just skip Sunday. And tomorrow's Saturday, so I have one more day to go. We'll see how Siri does. I mean, he's picking up Jumper's legs, but we really need double cues. Sounds like somebody's mowing. I haven't mowed yet because usually once you start mowing, then you can't stop. You have to keep mowing. So I haven't pulled the mower out yet, but the backyard is starting to get a little bit long, especially like where the leach lines are. Oh, what a nice day. It's actually like really warm. I could have just my t-shirt on, but I put it on just in case, my long sleeve shirt. But I'm kind of warm now. So hopefully we avoid those people by doing this different route. There's a lot of those little gnats in the air.